A very good all of you. After discussing about major depression, its etiology, features, and other important things, now we are going to discuss about suicide, the last phase of severe depression. Or in other terms, it also says that if depression left untreated, unrecognized, then it turns into suicide. Now, for this particular lecture, so first we are going to discuss the quick facts about it, the statistics, importance of understanding this topic in detail, some case studies, some fable and facts, in the sense myths and facts. As a part of awareness, as a part of education, it is most important to understand the warning signs and the commonalities, because the spontaneous reaction when we heard about any suicidal case or so, अरे ये अचानक कैसे हुआ, ऐसा कैसे उसने किया एकदम से, it is not अचानक और एकदम से. Those people who commit suicide, they give some clues, some signs about their actions, in the sense what exactly they are going to do. So these things, as a psychology student, it is important to understand. And then, as mentioned, specified in DSM-5, so we are going to discuss about suicidal behavior disorders and non-suicidal self-injury. So let's start one by one. Worldwide, nearly 8 lakh people commit suicide every year. As per record, one person in every 40 seconds they commit suicide. So right now also, so we can imagine की at present आता सध्या बाहेरची काय परिस्थिती आहे किंवा जगात कुठे काय चालू असेल. Out of this 8 lakh, 2,20,481 people commit suicide every year only and only in India. So how much part or how much sharing is there by our country? In India, suicide rate it is 16.5 and the age range is around 15 to 39 years. As per, so see how statistics are quite nearby and or appropriate. India is the 6th highest country in the world in suicide. And nowadays, unfortunately, the number is increasing day by day. Of course, the reasons are many, but apart from that, to start with, means it is just to have an idea about it. Last year, an individual, he messaged me, and the way he texted, it was like this. See the wordings. So see, this particular case study, it is just for the study purpose only, and that's why the name, it is not disclosed here. It is not revealed. So the person, he was saying that I can call my situation as frustration and depression. I seem normal to talk to all I talk, which makes others laugh or so, but my family knows the worst situation of me. Further, he's also saying, I'm not feeling suicidal, but if life ends, then no worries. I'm stuck in a life having no end anywhere. As we say around Beck's cognitive triad: hopelessness, helplessness, worthlessness. Some clues like I am having seizures and I bang my head to wall, but still not getting relief. So likewise, these people, some or the other way they express, they try to communicate, but unfortunately, it just get ignored. एकदा एका स्टुडंटनी एका एका त्याच्या रिलेटिव्ह बद्दल डिस्कस केलं होतं की जे त्यांचे रिलेटिव्ह आहेत. सो त्या रिलेटिव्हनी मागच्या साधारण 2 ते 4 आठवड्यांपासून सिन्स लास्ट 2 to 4 weeks. So that particular guy is having status on WhatsApp like, say this, all over, quitting up, back to darkness. And can you imagine the psychological aspect? What exactly emotional turmoil was going on inside the mind? हा त्या रिलेटिव्हचा डीपी होता जवळजवळ 2 ते 3 आठवडे. This is what is the importance. It is good of that particular student की हे लक्षात आलं आणि लगेच मग तसं डिस्कस केलं पुढे. अनेकदा आपण अगदी बारीक सारीक या गोष्टी असतात, डीपी असेल किंवा स्टेटस असेल, यांना आपण खूप काही महत्व देत नाही आणि अर्थात खूप काही महत्व द्यायलाही नको. ॲब्सोल्युटली राईट. बट some significant changes should be noticed immediately. And what exactly it counts? The comorbidity of suicidal behavior or suicidal thoughts or so, it is with, of course, depression, the bipolar affective disorder and anxiety disorder, sleep disorder, mood disorder, any other. That's why ह्या सगळ्याचं जे शेवटचं टोक असतं, if all these things left untreated, then it will turn to suicide. Now, see how we generally perceive all these things. A myth or fable that जे बोलतात ते कधीच करत नाही, हिंमत वगैरे नसते त्यांच्यामध्ये. Please don't ignore. Out of 10, at least 8 people in studies, it has been found that they have given definite warnings of their suicidal intentions, of their ideas, of their thoughts also. Don't ignore and don't underestimate also. Suicide happens without warning. It is not like that. But rather the fact is, these people give many clues and warnings regarding its suicidal intentions. वेगवेगळ्या असतात त्या. ह्या ना त्या पद्धतीनं ती लोक काही ना काहीतरी हे व्यक्त करत असतात, बोलत असतात. आता काय ठीक आहे, शेवटचीच दिवाळी आहे ना, मग जाऊ दे, असं करून घ्या. आणि आपण म्हणतो अरे उसमें क्या है, ए रोतलू चल जाने दे, चल खाना खा ले. तो काहीतरी सांगतोय, ते बोलणं आपण ऐकतो का? ऍक्टिव्ह अटेंटिव्ह असं लिसनिंग असतं का? Do we really pay attention to tone, emotions, wordings, thoughts, expressions, mode, frequency, duration, intensity of sharing the content of that particular person? We generally ignore all these things, very minute. These people are fully intent on dying. but rather they are just confused, undecided about living or dying. तो dilemma constantly सारखा चालू असतो. Almost no one commits suicide without letting others know how he is feeling. How much we are able to truly relate and connect with others. If one person after every 40 seconds is committing suicide, and as per the study or research, if it says that some or the other way these people they try to express, मग का बरं ह्यांच्या बोलण्याकडे इग्नोर होतो, का बरं आपण दुर्लक्ष करतो किंवा कॅज्युअली घेतो. अनदर थिंग, सपोज जर एका घरामध्ये सुसाईड असं झालं असेल किंवा कोणी जर तसं केलं असेल, इट इज नॉट ॲट ऑल ॲब्सोल्युटली अप्रोप्रिएट टू लेबल के ये आता त्यांच्या घरातच आहे. इट डझंट रन इन फॅमिलीज. इट इज अन इंडिव्हिज्युअल पॅटर्न. इट इज अन इंडिव्हिज्युअल ऍक्ट. पूर्ण त्या घराला असं लेबल करणं हे अगदी चुकीचं आहे. Once a person is suicidal, we just label him. It happens without warning. Again, not at all. Individuals who wish to kill themselves are suicidal only for a limited period of time because of that particular emotional flow or so. But एकदा त्यांनी अटेम्प्ट केला म्हणजे हा आता सुसाइडल म्हणूनच आहे असा शिक्का मारणं, इट इज रॉंग. Improvement following suicidal thoughts, act or so, or crisis means it is over, but no. Suicides occur within about 3 months following the beginning of improvement. तो थॉट हा कंट्रोल नक्की करता आला ती चांगली गोष्ट आहे, पण इथून पुढे फॉलोअप सुद्धा घेणं, त्या व्यक्तीच्या सोबत असणं हे खूप महत्वाचं आहे. कारण कधी पुन्हा तो इमोशनल टोन स्लिपरी होईल सांगू नाही शकत. Suicide strikes much more often. It's a myth or fable that suicide strikes much more often among the rich and exclusively among the poor. It may happen with anybody. It doesn't bifurcate in any सोशल क्लास ऑल्सो. अपर क्लासमध्ये सुसाईड जास्त आहे किंवा लोअर क्लासमध्ये किंवा एका कम्युनिटीमध्ये आहे आणि दुसऱ्या कम्युनिटीमध्ये नाही. इट इज नॉट लाईक दॅट. सो द टर्म हिअर इज यूज दॅट इट इज डेमोक्रेटिक. इट कॅन हॅपन विथ एनीबडी and it is not the mentally ill. They are of course extremely unhappy. They are of course extremely depressed, upset, stressed, irritated, extremely frustrated, but that doesn't mean that the person is mentally ill. So now, after discussing this fable and facts or myths and facts, another point is warning signs. काय लक्षात घ्यायला हवं आपण ॲज अ स्टुडंट ऑफ सायकोलॉजी? सुसाईड प्रिव्हेन्शन डे आपण सेलिब्रेट करतो, पण एक्झॅक्टली प्रिव्हेन्शनसाठी आधी आपल्याला काहीतरी ते आपल्याला माहिती तर पाहिजे. सो increased use of drugs or alcohol, it is one of the important warning sign. Another thing is statements. मी आता स्वतःला असं करून घेईन, मग मी असं कापून घेईन, स्वतःला जीव देईन, आता जगून तरी असं काय उपयोग. जर अशा प्रकारचे हे निगेटिव्ह सेल्फ हेट्रेड किंवा ज्याला आपण टू किल सेल्फ या पर्टिक्युलर कॅटेगरी मधले जर का रिपीटेड स्टेटमेंट्स असतील, then we should take care. Talking, as we have just discussed, or even writing about death or suicide. In some studies, it has been also found that those people who experience extremely negativity in their mind. These people share the same thing on social websites. जे सगळे वेगवेगळे n number of सोशल साइट्स आहेत त्याच्यावरती मग त्यांचे पोस्ट सुद्धा, थॉट्स सुद्धा, इमेजेस, स्टेटस, डीपी आपण ज्याला म्हणू ते सुद्धा त्याच पर्टिक्युलर रिलेटेड असतात. लुकिंग फॉर ऍक्सेस टू ऑल दिस पर्टिक्युलर सोर्सेस की जिथून किंवा ज्याच्या माध्यमातून थ्रू विच द पर्सन कॅन कमिट सुसाइड. Because they search, so they get it. Statement of hopelessness, helplessness, even because these people are unable to find the meaning in their life, so they start feeling emptiness syndrome, a vacuum. Also, increased anger, increased rage, revenge, ती एक निगेटिव्हिटी मग ऑटोमॅटिकली सगळ्याच एरियाज मधून रिफ्लेक्ट व्हायला सुरुवात होते. Also, it has been found that these people, so they become extreme in the sense these people, they start taking some actions which we count as extremely risky behavior. उगाच जोरात गाडी चालवणं, उगाच खूप काहीतरी आतताईपणा किंवा ज्याला इम्पल्सिव्हिटी म्हणू आपण इंग्लिशमध्ये, तो फॅक्टर इथे भरपूर असतो. इव्हन प्रिपेअरिंग अ विल ऑल ऑफ अ सडन, वन ऑफ द साइन, सी वन ऑफ द साइन, इट डझंट मीन की एक साइन जरी असेल तरी आता लगेच, बट इट इज इम्पॉर्टंट टू नोटिस. इव्हन मेकिंग सम अरेंजमेंट्स फॉर बिलॉंगिंग्स. सो काही पॉलिसीज असतील सो त्या विड्रॉ करणं, एफडी असतील सो ते विड्रॉ करणं, की नाही जर आता समजा जर का माझं काही झालं उद्या कमी जास्त, सो मग तुमची सोय असलेली बरी, असं पटकन ते बोलून जातील कधीतरी. आफ्टर अ लॉंग पिरियड ऑफ डिप्रेशन अँड लो एनर्जी, these people suddenly seems brighter or full of energy. That means the reflection of manic and in the sense bipolar disorder. Depression पण आहे आणि all of a sudden the manic phase पण आहे. Any of these paired with recent loss, either death, breakup, jobs, or financial loss, or medical diagnosis like cancer or so, अशा टर्मिनल इलनेस मध्ये हे सुसाईड होण्याचे चान्सेस हे जास्त असतात. कारण वाय मी हा जो थॉट किंवा हे जे एक्स्ट्रीमली निगेटिव्हिटी बेस्ड जे एक थिंकिंग असतं, सो त्याच्यामुळे. The commonalities are also equally important to understand suicide in detail. Purpose of suicide is to seek solution. एवढे सगळे प्रॉब्लेम्स आहेत, मग काय सोल्युशन आहे, जाऊ दे, एकदा हे केलं की सगळंच संपेल. दिस इज हाऊ द टॉक. गोल इज कॉन्शियसनेस, cessation of consciousness. Intolerable psychological pain and frustrated psychological pain. These people are extremely low on frustration tolerance. On the contrary, one of the most effective sign of having good psychological well-being is increased frustration tolerance. आपल्या मनासारख्या गोष्टी होत नाही, पण त्या फेस करणं, त्या सहन करणं हे आवश्यक आहे. अर्थात त्या मानसिकतेशी एक एक पुन्हा इम्पॉर्टंट आहे, रिलिव्हंट आहे. सो अबिलिटी टू फेस द स्ट्रेस, it is the important sign of healthy psychological well-being, and here it is totally opposite. These people are just in a tone that intolerable, unbearable. Hopelessness, helplessness, already we have discussed. The cognitive state, it is extremely weak, ambivalence, neither this nor that. The constriction, it is there. And interpersonal act in suicide is communication of intention. Somehow the other way, they intend to mean it. The consistency in suicide is with lifelong coping patterns. That's why in psychology there are coping mechanisms. Problem focused, emotion focused coping. It is important to understand how we should deal with stress, tension, anger, anxiety, or any kind of emotional disturbances. In DSM-5, so they have added the proposed disorder, that is suicidal behavior disorder. The criteria as per DSM-5 is within last 24 months. So that means within last 1 year, individual has made a suicide attempt. Then we can diagnose that yes, suicidal behavior. But in that also, suicide attempt, it is self-initiated. So कोणी प्रोवोक केलं आणि म्हणून केलं तर मग तो भाग आणखीन वेगळा येईल मग. Self-initiated sequence of behaviors by an individual who at the time of initiation, म्हणजे जेव्हा अशी आत्मघातकी वृत्ती करण्याचा जो काही प्रयत्न केला, expected that the set of actions would lead to his own death. स्वतःहून पुढाकार घेतला स्वतःचे जीवन संपवण्यासाठी. The act doesn't meet, so of course all these things, it doesn't meet the criteria for non-suicidal self-injury. स्वतःला संपवणं, and so the term is there, atmahatya. The person is killing himself, herself. So it is called as self-injurious, self-harming behavior. And so the criteria is there in abnormal behavior, that is any behavior which is harmful for self is called as abnormal behavior. And see the markers of risk include in suicide, that is degree of planning, the way they plan, including selection of a time, place to minimize rescue or interruption. Suicide, it is a planned act. Individual's mental state at the time of the behavior with acute agitation, that is being especially concerning. This point, it is most important. In DSM-5, they have mentioned all these things. However, I want you people to refer more in detail the DSM-5 and even the synopsis of psychiatry. The soft copy is there, it is available on net, and it can be easily, freely downloaded. Recent discharge from inpatient care or recent discontinuation of mood stabilizer, but still the person may attempt. कारण अजूनही ती psychological treatment ही चालूच आहे. The essential means manifestation of suicidal behavior disorder is suicide attempt. And all these are the influencing factor for suicidal act, like poor planning of any of all the important areas of life, the lack of knowledge about the method chosen, and all these other things. Approximately 25 to 30% of persons who attempt suicide, so they will repeat it again and again. So it is called as suicidal attempt. It can include behaviors in which after initiating the suicide attempt, individual change his mind or someone who has intervened. So suicidal behavior disorder in the sense suicide attempt, not of course not exactly the actual suicide but suicidal attempt. And apart from this, another thing is non-suicidal self-injury. It is also mentioned in DSM-5, and SP stands for Synopsis of Psychiatry, 11th edition. So they have given features, mood and nature of non-suicidal self-injury. The way they preferred objects. So in the last year, as per the DSM criteria for non-suicidal self-injury, at least 5 or more days the person is engaged in intentional self-damage, and that too with having some expectations, either to obtain a relief from negative feelings, the stress, tension, anger, anxiety, revenge, loss तो इतका सहन होत नाहीये, unbearable है, so the person injured himself. Another expectation is to resolve an interpersonal difficulty. ते काही रिलेशन्स हे मेंटेन करता येत नाहीये, सांभाळता येत नाहीये, किंवा त्यातले जे काही फेल्युअर असेल ते ऍक्सेप्ट करता येत नाहीये म्हणून, or to induce a positive feeling state, and now it is more problematic. स्वतःला त्रास दिला की बरं वाटतं, असे पण काही जण असतात. So interpersonal issues or difficulties, even negative feelings, thoughts, all these things are associated with depression, anxiety, tension, stress, anger, generalized stress. Self-criticism, the person is unable to accept and unable to love himself, herself, so he is harming self. Thinking about self-injury, सारखा तोच विचार की आपण स्वतःला कसा त्रास देऊ. So it is a weird thought. And of course, this particular behavior, it is not socially sanctioned, not socially accepted. And all these things are affecting the important areas, personal, social, and occupational areas of functioning. Now, remaining part of this particular session, of this particular topic, that is suicide, so that we will continue in our next session, that how can we prevent. Some researchers are there in psychology who have studied this topic in detail, and they have coined the term psychological autopsy, how to prevent it, and some other information, how to counsel, सायकोथेरपीचा रोल काय आहे, काही शॉर्ट इम्पॉर्टंट अगदी छोटे छोटे जे असे टेकअवेज किंवा टिप्स आहेत, सो तो सगळा पार्ट आपण हे पुढच्या सेशन मध्ये कंटिन्यू करू. थँक्यू सो मच.